Hello, and welcome to another payboxtimer.com website navigation video. Today we're looking at the Paybox portal. And here we are at our Paybox login, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that. And here we've come to payboxtimer.com, and we want to bring our attention to the left, to the list of tabs right there. Through these tabs, we have access to several data streams, links to other useful information like how-to guides, and trends in current electric rates, as well as the ability to track incoming Paybox shipments. And on the upper left of our screen is our dashboard, where we can find information on electricity, as well as links to download our app on the Apple Store or Google Play for iPhone or Android respectively, and you can contact us through WhatsApp. The Point of Sale tab allows you to accept credit card payments from customers at your front desk using our virtual Point of Sales terminal. You can offer your tenants cashless payment transaction with our coin boxes through the Prepay Code tab. We can keep track of our Paybox machines through the Devices tab and make a few other changes there as well. The Revenue Report tab displays total runtime and revenue generated for each Paybox device you have in service. You can fill out your billing and shipping information under our User tab. The Transaction tab displays all the financial transactions made through our Coinbox devices. We can track any incoming Paybox shipments through our Shipments tracking tab. If you're looking for how-to manuals or DIY guides, you can find them in our video library. The Credit Card Processor tab enables you to link your bank account to accept credit card payments. We will be offering our tenants even more payment options with the development of our cryptocurrency tab coming soon. If you're a software developer and would like to request a software development kit, you can do so right here. And so we've come to the end of our quick overview of our portal tabs. And now we're just going to log out, and that's it. For more information, you can visit us at limitedresources.us, payboxtimer.com, or give us a call at 1-647-931-1829. Thank you very much, and have a great day.